One fossilized jaw just proved the ocean's deadliest predator wasn't a shark or a whale. It was something else entirely. This is the only real proof we have. One jaw. And from it, scientists rebuilt an entire monster. This story starts in two places, Japan and Canada. Fossil hunters kept finding the same broken jaw over and over. 27 of them, eventually. Same creature, different continents, millions of years apart. Some fossils were too fragile to even dig out by hand, so they scanned them instead. AI helped build a digital model, layer by layer, grinding the rock down, photographing every single slice. It's slow, it's careful, and it worked. The biggest beak they found could cradle a grapefruit. That's not normal. 1.5 times bigger than a modern giant squid's jaw. Here's the problem. Soft bodies don't fossilize. Only the hard beak survives. Everything else just disappears. So scientists used a ratio, jaw size to body size from living octopuses. The closest living relative is the Dumbo octopus, a deep-sea finned species. Scale that ratio up, and you get something 19 meters long, 62 feet, longer than a bowling lane. That's not an exaggeration, that's the actual math. Not everyone agrees, by the way. Some researchers think the real number might be smaller. Even the lowest estimate still makes it one of the biggest ever. But here's what nobody's debating. The wear on these jaws proves it was crunching through hard shells regularly. Quick comparison, because you're thinking it. Megalodon maxed out around 18 meters. This thing might have been longer. Same ocean neighborhood, different era. They never actually met. But if you're using Megalodon as your scale, this beats it. And Megalodon at least left teeth everywhere. This left one broken jaw. That's the whole difference in how we know them. So what did it actually look like? 8 arms, 2 ear-like fins on its head, built for the deep. Scientists call this group serrate octopuses. Basically, Dumbo octopuses. It lived in total darkness, under crushing pressure. The same kind of environment we've barely explored today. It hunted ammonites, shelled prey related to today's nautilus. Ammonites were everywhere in these oceans, easy armored meals. Except the shell wasn't actually a defense against this thing. For a century, we assumed reptiles ran these oceans. Mosasaurs, plesiosaurs. This fossil says an invertebrate was competing with them for the same food, not hiding from them, hunting alongside them. Modern octopuses are absurdly smart. There's no reason to think this one wasn't. An apex predator with the intelligence of an octopus at 60 feet. That's not a monster movie pitch. That's a peer-reviewed paper. Published in Science, June 2026. And it's already changing how paleontologists think about these oceans. We've explored maybe 20% of the ocean, total. This entire animal existed for millions of years, and we found it from one bone. Less than a quarter of the seafloor has even been mapped in detail. So what else is down there that we just haven't found the jaw for yet? Every fossil like this rewrites part of the story. And there are teams looking right now. For the next one, it just takes one more piece. 27 broken jaws, one redefined ocean. So no, the scariest thing in that ocean wasn't a shark or a whale. It was something we almost never found out about at all. What do you think is still out there? Tell me below. See you in the next one.